As a business, if you need money, all you need to do is to look inward. You'll be surprised what you find.
Trust me, I have some good ideas.
You don't need to go for a loan first.
I try.
To me, share customer.
I've been waiting for this.
What is life without some spunk? You mean that man touched your breast?
Thank God it was nothing serious.
Don't be fooled.
What are you saying?
And the two shall become one.
The good and the bad.
That's what I wanted to hear.
It also evokes passion, fire, and more, Are you feeling the heat?
Yeah, it's definitely getting hot in here.
Be careful, my son.
There was a lot of wild ideas flying about. I guess that's what we call creative, right?
Yes, and then you also try to...
Solutions